Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Daisen Park. Daisen Park is a large and quiet park in Sakai City, Osaka. It's a good place to relax and enjoy nature. The park is close to the famous Daisen Kofun, which is a keyhole-shaped tomb that was built more than 1,500 years ago. It, this tomb is one of the biggest in the world and is believed to be a tomb of Emperor Nintoku. One reason to visit the park is to see this old tomb. Even though people cannot go inside the tomb, they can walk around it and see its special shape from the outside. The park is also a nice place to enjoy cherry blossom in spring and colorful leaves in autumn. There is a Japanese garden inside the park. It is a beautiful place to walk, take photos, and enjoy the traditional style of Japan. You can also find the Sakai City Museum, which is a good place to learn about local history and culture. The park has open spaces, trees, flowers, and a big pond with birds. It's a good place to take a walk, ride a bicycle, or have a picnic with your family and friends. Many local people come here to relax. To get to Daisen Park, you can take a train to Mozu Station. It takes about 30 minutes from central Osaka. From the station, it is a short walk to the park. If you want to enjoy nature, learn about the history, and have a quiet time, Daisen Park is a good place to visit in Osaka. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.